Hi everyone, welcome to my closet. I wanted to organize all my stuff because they're like everywhere. Like I wanted to put together all my denim jacket, long jacket, all the outerwear in category. Because I have some over here. Like this is all the tops, overshirts, blazers, and leather jacket, and like my bomber jacket over there. And over here, I got some camisole, my trousers, my denim jeans, some collared trousers and jumpsuit, and my overalls. And there's some like my knitwear. There's some stuff that I don't know yet. Oh, this one I make an outfit of my skirt, so that's why it's there. But I have to put it back on that side, and I still have this old tour box, we call it. But yeah, here is my dresses, and I don't know if you can see, but there's like my skirts too, like just all the long stuff. And here is like my denim shorts, some mini skirts, like skirts also. Yeah, but I just wanted to organize everything. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have the energy to do that because I've been editing this morning and I'm not feeling so great. But I really wanted to do that. Let me show you some of the stuff outside, or like the spare bedroom. If you remember this is my like sweatshirt or knit sweater. I got some at the top, like that box, or like my white t-shirts and other sweatshirt that I want to wear. They're like on top. But yeah, that's my sweatshirt collection. Okay, so over here I got some stuff like this clothing rack that you always see in my styling videos. So I wanted to organize this as like all the stuff that I really love, and that's all the other stuff that I haven't put that out yet, and some stuff that I haven't shown you yet. And that's another mess. Yeah, well, it's just all messed right now. Yeah, I also have some stuff over here. So this is like the spare bedroom which I'm using for the stuff that I'm selling. Some stuff that I need to take to the seamstress. Oh yeah, it's a mess, but we'll make it work. I also got some jackets over here. Okay, so here's the stuff that I'm thinking to sell, and these are some of the overshirts that I'm going to keep to the spare bedroom. I folded some pants and dress over there, and this is the stuff that I'm going to put in my closet, like linen, like in my favorite stuff. And I think I'm going to take out some of the things that I don't use in my closet, you know, my very small closet. And over there, that's all like my denim overshirt and denim jacket, and those are blouses. So yeah, I'm still gonna put things around, like that's all like my jacket and some stuff that I have to show you guys, like a trip haul. Yeah, so we'll see. It's like all over the place. It's the first time, my first time doing this, so bear with me. Thank you. Okay, so I put some of the blazers in the spare bedroom because I don't want them to be so dusty, because outside it gets so dusty. So I put everything in here and some stuff over there that I don't reach out for so much. And there's some stuff that I have to show you. Yeah, so let's get back to work. Hi, good morning. So it's the next day. I stopped about 4 p.m. because I was really tired, and right now I can feel my shoulder like it's very stiff. So yeah, I just want to show you what I did. And right now my closet is not still what I wanted to look at, because I have to buy organizer for that top shelves. And also I put the stuff over here, like what I show you, like the linen stuff, like this long sleeve shirt. But I'm not sure if I'm going to take this out because I don't have any, like the clothing rack. I have to buy another one because this is like from here to there, it's like outerwear, and also there. And yeah, it's not really organized yet. It's not what I wanted it to be. I still have to buy more organizers, but yeah, that's that I think. And that's, like I said, my jeans and stuff. Let me show you some stuff out over here. These are all the jackets. I organize it by color because it's more beautiful than organizing it by the types of it. Yeah, but I am still gonna switch things out, and yeah, you might see this in the video, styling videos. I still have some stuff over there. I might take that blazer inside. That looks good. Look the color. I got the white, greens, orange, yellow, some prints. There's brown, leather, black, and this one I just put this here because I don't have any place, but I think it looks good. And here are the stuff that I need to show you, like triple. But yeah, that's that. That's so pretty. And let's go check the spare bedroom. Okay, so I organize it by, like, these are the stuff that I'm not sure if I'm going to sell, and this is the stuff that I have to show you. These are the blazers, and also like some of my jackets that I don't really reach out for.